All right, so we got this cutting board here. Has this crack in it from sitting in a sink full of water. Got the planer. They always tell you that it'll blow the ends out if you run an end grain cutting board through the planer. Well, we're gonna find out. Well, the people that are telling you that it causes tear out, they aren't lying. I mean, we haven't had anything crazy yet, you know, but that could just be a little bit of luck too. So, you know, there's no guarantee it just ain't gonna blow one of these out completely. But right now, that's about the extent of it. I'm taking about a 30, that's probably the biggest chunk right there. I'm taking about a 30-second off with each pass. All right, I'll keep going. Well, there's the final result. Again, this is just one board, so there's no guarantee it ain't just gonna blow out. But I've honestly never ran an end grain cutting board through the planer, so I was curious what would happen. Well, let's turn this thing into some coasters. Like a phoenix from the ashes of a ruined cutting board, there's now 4 coasters. Not too shabby. Well, thanks for watching. I think I'm going to get a cold one to put on top of one of these.